Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe and let's get into it. So these nails I'm doing are actually for my birthday, and this is the first time that I've ever actually made nails for a special event, let alone my birthday. I'm starting with painting the middle finger black because the goal is to get that nice aura look from the picture right in the corner, which I found in Pinterest because I really loved how the colors looked, the colors that the person picked, and I was like, that's perfect, that's kind of what I'm going for, you know. Literally a week before, literally was just shit, I have literally no idea what to do, and then I just went and scoured through my lengthy ass Pinterest board with it has over 300 pins, I think. And then I found 2 photos that I was really I really like them. The set is going to be inspired from these, but I'm still not completely sure where the set is gonna end up, how it's gonna look by the end, but I'm just doing the base color for these nails. As I was doing the Frenchies, I literally just started to regret them, and I was like, but then I just kept going and continued. Now I'm actually going to attempt doing the aura, but the thing is I don't have an airbrush, so I'm going to do this with a little makeup sponge. Okay, so actually the makeup sponge ended up making this look really good. Yeah, so I ended up disliking the idea of the aura Frenchies, and I just kept thinking about it while I was doing it, and I was like, no. So I'm painting them black right now, and let's see what happens. So similar to like the image, I'm gonna try to recreate that Vivienne Westwood symbol onto the nail because I think that actually will end up looking really good. Actually ended up turning out better than expected. So this nail is actually not inspired by any of the pics from Pinterest, but I want to keep it a surprise for you guys. You guys will see once I finish. But I will give you a hint. If you're a Sanrio lover, you'll know this one. You'll like this one. Apparently the footage of me finishing this nail got lost, but you definitely probably know like what character I'm painting by now. Honestly, line art is like one of my favorite things about doing nails. It's just like so like therapeutic to me. This is more pinky line art, but this nail I'm just trying to make it a little different than the other pinky. Okay, this actually like might be my favorite nail from the set so far. It's just like, it just looks so perfect. Kind of like in my other video, I'm doing like a little junk nail vibe for the middle finger. I low-key think it'll look really cool because the charms I have in mind are This is the set, like literally like 90% done. At least y'all can finally see the little chromey nail properly. But I have like one more nail to go. But I just won't show that on camera because it's just me painting the Vivienne logo again in white. The rest of the video is just gonna be some footage of me top coating. If you find watching me top coat really therapeutic or you just enjoy watching, then feel free to stay for the rest of the video. Thank you for watching me do nail art.